So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I will compare the Indie Extreme 3 to the GG Extreme 3 and see what are the differences, even close up, even how they look side by side with other covers, because as you see it's the same. But yeah, the strap is still not the original as you see. I might have to take this off, but yeah, in rest I'm not gonna waste y'all's time, and this was gonna be like a more style from my old videos, like back in 2019, but a better camera. But let's see. But yeah, I'm gonna take the covers off because it's, you know how it works. But yeah, let me just take them covers off and see what's inside and the differences. There's with the covers off. As you can see already, it's a big difference. The woofers are the same size, but why is really paying me attention to the Indie Extreme 3? The woofers look identical to the Extreme 2 PLs. Yes, they have many neodymium magnets, but they look identical. Yes, it has a higher roll surround in Extreme 2, but like in rest, they look identical. Besides the cone too, it's different. But in rest, it's just like, man, this looks like an Extreme 2. I mean, it's the same thing, but it's just a newer version of Extreme. But yeah, let's see the differences. What we have here. So the tweeters, the casing, they look the same. I mean, I'm not sure if there's gonna be any difference, but maybe the tweeters on this has a thicker surround. On the ND model, it's a little bit thinner. That I don't think it's gonna affect the sound, but maybe also a bigger coil on the. Yeah, it probably has, but maybe not. It's just me. But it could have a bigger coil on the ND model. But now let's just take on the front real quick. So I got them like this. So on the ND model, we got these lines right here. They're a bit different on the GG, they're a bit shorter. Even the light mountings are a bit different. See, they have these pins here, to kind of put them the right way. And it's a clear one, you can see the LEDs in here too. It's a clearer cover. And this one is just like white, but like, you can see the lights through it. But in the rest, what I also see, actually, these look pretty much identical. They look very similar. Just these two are different. Like the curvature is a bit different. That one's smaller right there. You don't have these location points on the tweeter, but yeah, the rest is the same. And even it looks identical. But it doesn't look identical, but it's almost the same. But the valve on this is here, which is also on that, but this one is white and that one is black. Yeah. It's the same thing on the GG Extreme 2. But yeah. But the biggest difference in the woofers are, this is a paper cone, but it is waterproof. It is sealed. Like, it's not gonna affect it. As you know, I have done water tests with this and nothing happened with it. Yeah, plastic dust cap, nice surround too. It's a bit different. It kind of is like smooth here, but this one's like more like a little bit depth, whatever. Same as the GG Extreme 2 right here also. But I'm definitely gonna do a comparison between the ND Extreme 3 and the GG Extreme 3 and Extreme 2, like GG Extreme 2 versus that, PL Extreme 2 versus this, all in one video. So yeah, but probably gonna do that next week on New Year's, a special one. So what's next? Also a big difference, like the Extreme 3 GG has big foam like pads or whatever to protect it. This one doesn't really have it, just has a little bit here on the indicator here like that, just to kind of keep everything nice together. But in rest, it's not much different. But yeah, that's how the top looks like. Also different, but it does the same job at the end. That's not really gonna affect the sound, but who knows, maybe they do sound different, But let's check the back and see how the back looks like. Alright, on the back, This one has crazy lines right here. They are just like braces or whatever. They're just like protecting from the cover, just to stay the cover. Let the stay the cover. I cannot even speak English. Sorry. Just protects the cover or whatever, like the speaker. I don't know. But yeah, with a crazy foam padding on the GG. The one it's pretty hard to take this one out, on the back at least. And this one is not that hard, because it doesn't really have the padding on it. But yeah, mounting, they look almost the same. They're just like, these have grooves and stuff like that, like a little bit extra forcing, like bracing I would say. But this is just normal, nothing special. Let's check the bottom out. But yeah, on the GG Extreme 2, as you can see, crazy big padding of foam on the back, on the bottom. But here's nothing, just nothing protecting it, which is not also good, but it's okay, because who takes the cover off always and just leaves the cover off? You're just gonna put back on after a base set, so but yeah, there it is. This is how it looks like here. There's a clips on the back. It's nice and clean and, you know, durable. But yeah, I think that's it with a comparison completely, like, you can see how it is. But yeah, these both have screws, as you can see, just different mounting brackets or whatever, clips. The rest is the same. But yeah, let's do a sound test. So I'm gonna start with the GG. I'm not gonna use copyright free music. Does make me want turning off. But yeah, I'm not gonna use no copyright free music, because, as you know, I only use copyrighted songs, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, let's just start with the GG.
Water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning.
Bro,
my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away,
I mean, I've even put them like this up. I was listening to music off camera and see the actual difference. But I think, like, the GG sounds more like smooth, but that doesn't mean the indie doesn't sound bad. Like, the indie sounds amazing too. I've thought the indie sounds like crap, but like, actually in real life it sounds pretty good, and I like it. It is more like more mid-range pronounced, but it's not big, the difference. The only difference is just like the GG sounds like the mids are not really overpowering, but like, you know, it's not that big, that the difference is not big at all. But I've seen like the mids are a bit more pronounced, which is kind of cool. I like more pronounced mids, mid-range frequencies. I like it. I mean, shit. Which model is better is like you decide, to be honest, because I like both of them. I don't think it was a bad choice to get the GG first, but like, you know, damn, it's actually not a big difference. But now the difference is gonna be like, hey, let's do LFM and see what kind of flex they have, and see what's different about them. That's gonna be the real difference in flex, right? But yeah, let's just turn on LFM, connect them together on Party Boost, and see what you do.
You make me this, bring me up, bring me down. Play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Saxo beat makes me this, brings me up, brings me down. Play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Saxo, you make me this, bring me up, bring me down. Play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Saxo beat makes me this, brings me up, brings me down. Play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Saxo beat. Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let's do the passive errors.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Welcome to the room of people who have rooms of people that they love.
But I think there's a conclusion of the ND vs GG comparison. And I said again, next video is gonna be next week around the same day, but there's gonna be comparison between Extreme 2 and Extreme 3. So it's gonna be a longer video. Could be like a 15-20 minute video, but who knows. Yeah. That is a comparison, and yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.